Ladies and gentlemen, meet the all-new OnePlus 13, a smartphone that redefines power, performance, and style. In today's video, we're diving deep into everything this beast has to offer. So stick around and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. First up, the design. OnePlus has truly outdone themselves with the OnePlus 13. It sports a gorgeous glass back with an aerospace-grade aluminum frame, making it both lightweight and durable. At just 7.9mm thick, it feels incredibly premium in hand. The new color variants, Midnight Black, Glacier White, and Emerald Green, are absolutely stunning. And let's talk about the display. A 6.8-inch LTPO 4.0 AMOLED panel with a 2K resolution, 120Hz adaptive refresh rate, and peak brightness of 2800 nits. Whether you're binge watching your favorite shows or gaming, the visuals are buttery smooth and vivid. Under the hood, the OnePlus 13 is powered by the all-new Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chipset, paired with up to 16GB of LPDDR5X RAM and 1TB of UFS 4.0 storage. Multitasking, gaming, heavy apps, this phone can handle it all with zero lag. And thanks to the advanced vapor chamber cooling system, heat dissipation is at an all-time high, keeping the device cool even during intense gaming sessions. Now let's get into what everyone loves, the cameras. The OnePlus 13 comes with a triple camera setup, including a 50MP Sony IMX989 primary sensor, a 48MP ultra-wide lens, and a 64MP periscope telephoto lens with 5x optical zoom. From ultra-sharp daytime shots to breathtaking night mode photography, this phone delivers DSLR level quality. And for video lovers, it supports 8K recording with improved stabilization, perfect for content creators. Of course, the OnePlus 13 runs on Oxygen OS 14, based on Android 14, offering a clean, fast, and bloat-free experience. New AI-driven features like smart notifications, focus mode, and AI-assisted photo editing make everyday tasks easier and more enjoyable. Security? You got it. The under-display fingerprint scanner and face unlock are faster than ever, keeping your data safe and accessible in an instant. Worried about battery life? The OnePlus 13 is equipped with a 5500 mAh battery that easily lasts a full day. And when you do need to recharge, the 150W SuperVOC charging will get you from 0 to 100% in just 20 minutes. Wireless charging? Yes, it supports 50W fast wireless charging too. Now let's talk about the price. With all these top-tier features, the OnePlus 13 comes in at a starting price of $726, which is an incredible deal compared to other flagship smartphones. It's available now, so make sure to grab yours using our special link on the description of this video. So is the OnePlus 13 worth it? Absolutely. Whether you're a gamer, a photographer, or just someone looking for a premium smartphone, this device delivers on every front. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more in-depth tech reviews, and be sure to check out the OnePlus 13 using our link in the description. Let us know in the comments what you think of the OnePlus 13. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.